How to fix Netflix, the device is not supported error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the server status of Netflix. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Down Detector, search for Netflix. You're gonna see the graph. If you found out any outages over here, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. If there is no issue in the server, you can follow these steps. Firstly, update your Netflix app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Netflix. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, next thing you want to do is, if you're using app, you can switch it to the web version. You can launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the website of Netflix, and you can try to access Netflix through the web version. Likewise, next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch settings. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection, launch settings, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes, disable it. Switch between networks, Wi-Fi and mobile data. With these solution, your problem might be fixed. Is head towards the option VPN. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disconnect to it. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Netflix app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Netflix app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Then head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Netflix and then install it. So these are some fixes for Netflix the device is not supported issue. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.